welcome to my channel and welcome back if you have been here since however long, I don't know. But today I'm going to be doing the first video of my lock extension series, and as the series name or the series title suggests, I'm going to be talking about lock extensions. For those of you who are familiar with my hair journey, I actually had lock extensions for almost 2 years, I think. Yeah, but all my videos are on my channel, so you all can check it out. And recently I combed out my locks, but I thought to myself, why don't I bring an official lock extension series so that I can wrap up that portion of my hair journey with you guys. So if you're interested, it's a 4-part series. Today I'm going to be talking about synthetic versus human hair extensions and which one, might be right for you depending on how you feel and the points that I discuss here today. So let's get straight into it. Now there are lots of pros to synthetic hair as well as human hair, and there are cons for both. With synthetic hair, the hair is generally cheaper. In terms of US, it's probably between like 3 to 5 US, or you could probably get like a pack of synthetic hair locally here in Trinidad for about, I don't know, the cheapest, maybe like $10, $5, I don't know. But I don't even know if they sell braids that price anymore. However, it's very cheap. The most you might buy synthetic hair for is like 100 TT, which is, let's estimate, a little under $20 US, right? Probably around $15 US. That particular price has to do with the length of the hair. So obviously if the hair isn't super long, it's not going to be that expensive at all. So long story short, synthetic hair is very cheap in comparison. Synthetic hair can have a similar look to natural hair. For example, this hair in particular that I'm wearing, it's I can't remember the name of the brand. I might insert a picture if I remember, but it's baseball if I still have the picture. But it's a typical bijou, I think is the brand in general, and this is their Mali textured hair. So it's a little more similar to my hair texture. And that's another thing, the texture can be similar but it will never truly be the same, because it will kind of get that plasticky or that kind of slight unnatural feel, especially when you compare it to your natural hair that will be growing out in the lock. In some cases, you might even get a shinier or more plasticky appearance, but I think that is rare once you find the brand of hair that best suits you. And in my next part of the series, I'll actually be going into the types of hair that I personally recommend for synthetic lock extensions and human hair lock extensions. If you're interested in seeing that, the video will be uploaded tomorrow, or it might be up now depending on when you're watching. When it is up, I'll put it in the icons above. A really big deal about synthetic lock extensions that kind of turned me off on it and why I end up going the human hair route is that you need heat in order to get curls to style the hair. Nobody wants to keep putting heat on plastic or a plasticky kind of texture, do we? Right? It will burn the hair, so you need to be careful. I think more commonly in terms of synthetic lock extensions, you would want to do these roller sets or braiding or twists or whatever and dip the hair in hot water so it would maintain that curl or that shape. And lastly, with synthetic hair, you cannot bleach it, you cannot dye it, color it, whatever you want to call it. You can't change the color of the hair. However you buy it is how you get it. However, if you're not a person big on color and you just want to experiment a little bit, you can consider using those waxes that are very temporary and can be messy. So that's a give or take. But that's basically it for synthetic lock extensions. When it comes to human hair lock extensions now, that's the choice that I made. And one of the things that had me a bit hesitant was the price. It typically, for human hair, you could probably get a bundle or a small amount of hair or a bulk of hair for about between 30 US to even upwards of 200 US. So my battery died. As I was saying, in terms of the hair that I chose to go with, I ended up spending about $1,400 on hair. And yeah, for me that was plenty, because at the time I was a student, XYZ, so you know that's a lot of money to just be dishing out. Was it 14? No, it was like closer to like $1,900. Yikes. I know. It was about $200 or $250 a pack, and the pack was like this size, but the hair quality, guys, was really good. If I had to do this all over again, I would do the same hair, use the same hair, or I would experiment with another brand. That's for another video. The amazing thing about human hair lock extensions is that it looks and feels so real, because I mean it is, but it really looks and feels like the real deal. No doubt about it. When you run your hands through your hair, if anybody touch your hair,
yes, yes. Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what? For real, stiff what? Ooh, no what? Stiff what? Well, no. Yes, bitch. No stiff bitch. No, none of that. Shake bitch. What?
They would know that is yours. They're not gonna watch your hair and think, I wonder if that's real. Especially if it's done right. Human hair lock extensions definitely is way better than synthetic when it comes to the look and feel. A great thing about human hair lock extensions as well is that you can apply heat because it's human hair. So me personally, not every time I wash my hair I want to wait for it to air dry. So every now and then, once in a while, I would apply heat in the form of blow drying my hair, so that as soon as I come out of the shower, spend some time blow drying my hair, and my hair is dry. Y'all, if you do not like to feel wet hair on you, like after you come out of the shower, or you just want the convenience of not having to have your hair wet for long, or I don't know, I can't see why you want to put hair any other way, right? Put heat on your hair, that is. Once you want that option, human hair is the best bet. And of course, with human hair lock extensions, when you set your curls, you don't have to use boiling water. It's human hair, so once you set, use the products of your choice and do the style. When you take down the style, the curls will remain. Lastly, for human hair, you can bleach or dye it. I definitely experimented with a little bit of bleaching and a little bit of color, and I enjoyed every moment of it. I didn't want to be held back with synthetic hair in the sense that it would be like just black or dark brown or whatever. I didn't want to be tied to that one hair color, and I think that was really the defining moment for me when I decided that human hair lock extensions was the better choice and not synthetic, for me anyway. I think human hair lock extensions should also be used if you want to do your style for like long term or forever, basically, because it's very long lasting. And with synthetic, I think this is more of a temporary option if you want to have in your locks maybe for a year or maybe just for a few months, or for those of you who want to just escape the ugly phase, which isn't really a phase. So you should probably check the video in my description for my video on the ugly phase that they wanted us to claim, right? But no, I think that synthetic is definitely for more temporary period. Maybe you might do at most 2 years with it. However, human hair lock extensions is human hair. It will last the time, especially if it's quality hair. So join me on my next video where we'll be talking about which type of hair you should choose. What are the options for human and synthetic? Well, my options for you anyway. This hair or these brands are brands that I am more familiar with. Most of them I would have used, and a lot of them I would have heard great reviews about. So yes, join me next time. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.